we're going to add our jabs with some movement, okay? So we can sit here and just throw a jab like this, but the problem with throwing something from a stationary position, it's very hard to generate a lot of power. A lot of our power is generated by movement, okay? So when we throw a jab, we're not usually going to be sitting here throwing a jab like this. What we're going to do is take a step forward, not a massive step, not going like this, unless your opponent is further away from you. We'll discuss that a bit later. Right here, we're going to actually just take a step forward and throw our jab and back. Here, 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 okay? So from here, we're going to step forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. Okay? Other side. Switching. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So when we do these jabs, coming here. 1, stepping back. Come off the other side. Awesome. Now we've got used to our throwing our cross. We're going to throw our cross with a bit of movement. How do we do this? It's simple. We shuffle our first foot forward and we step our back leg up to follow and throw our punch and take a step back. Okay? So basically doing a half step forward, take a half step forward with your strike, pivot, do your strike, bring it back. Okay? So here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Off the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright guys, that was our cross strikes. Now let's do our hook with a bit of movement. So off the front hand, we're going to skip forward and throw our hook. So from here, taking a step forward, or like to say skipping forward, come here, and the back leg follows up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright. So we're going to throw our hook off our rear hand. We're going to take a step forward with our left leg and just following up with our right leg, coming through, twisting, turning, pivoting, and delivering that strike. Here, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now we're going to do it from the side view. So from here, we step forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now the rear hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that is how we throw our hooks with movement. Okay, now we're going to do our uppercuts with movement. We're going to be in our fighting stance. We're going to take a step forward off our left leg. From here, we're going to duck through under and come up with our uppercut. So from here, step 1, take a step back. Step 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? Now we're going to do that one this way. From here, take a step forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Now we're going to take a step forward and uppercut off our rear hand. So from here, take a short step forward with our left, bring our right leg up, and turn pivot with our uppercut. So from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now from this direction, from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's how we do our upcuts with movement.
Hi guys, thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, please check the others in this series and please like and subscribe to support our channel. See you in the next one.